Today we're going to be cooking fish cakes 2 ways. We use a master base to create a classic salmon fish cake as well as a vegan alternative. Start by adding your cooked mashed potato to a mixing bowl with diced capers, fennel, parsley, lemon zest, garlic and pepper. Finish with a generous pinch of salt. Lightly stir the mixture together, then add your vegan mayonnaise. Mix everything to a well combined, then divide your master base in half. Divide your master base mixture between 2 bowls. To the one bowl, add your salmon, and to the other, your jackfruit and nori. Use your hands to knead the mixtures together. Once well combined, divide each mixture into 4 patties. Dip your patties into flour, your batter mixture, and finally into toasted breadcrumbs. Lightly press down on your patties to give them an even coating. Nestle your patties into your double basket air fryer. The benefit of your double basket is that you can keep your vegan and fish patties separate. Set your Instant Vortex Plus to air fry to 200 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. Use the sync function to make sure that your patties cook at the same time. Once golden and crispy, remove your fish cakes from the Instant Vortex air fryer. Plate up your fish cakes with a nice salad of your choice, a wedge of lemon and some vegan aioli.